Join me as I take on the challenge of finding the best investment strategies for beginners in 2024 and see if I can turn a small amount into something big. When it comes to investing, there's no better time to start than today. In fact, the sooner you start, the more opportunity your money has to grow. But I know that for many beginners, getting started can be intimidating. That's why I want to share with you the best investment strategies for beginners in 2024. One of the biggest hurdles to investing is a lack of knowledge. Many people feel like they don't understand the stock market or how to invest, so they just avoid it altogether. Another challenge is the fear of losing money. No one wants to put their hard-earned cash into something that could potentially lose value. Additionally, the sheer number of investment options can be overwhelming. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. There's just too much information to sort through. And finally, there's the pressure to make the right investment decision. It's easy to feel like you're making a mistake, even before you've started. But here's the thing, investing doesn't have to be complicated. With a few simple strategies, you can set yourself up for success and start achieving your financial goals. Dollar cost averaging is one of my favorite investment strategies. It's a simple concept. Instead of investing a lump sum of money all at once, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. This helps you smooth out the ups and downs of the market, and it's a great way to get started with investing without feeling overwhelmed. Another key strategy is diversification. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to minimize risk. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce your exposure to any one particular market and increase your potential for long-term growth. Setting financial goals is also crucial to successful investing. What are you trying to achieve with your investments? Are you saving for a down payment on a house or for retirement? Knowing what you want to accomplish will help you determine the right investment strategy for your needs. For example, if you're saving for a short-term goal, you may want to focus on more conservative investments, like bonds or CDs. But if you're saving for a long-term goal, like retirement, you may want to consider investing in stocks or real estate. Let me give you an example of how these strategies can come together. Let's say you want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house in 5 years. You could set up a monthly investment plan where you invest $167 per month into a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. By using dollar cost averaging, you'll be taking advantage of the market's ups and downs, and by diversifying your portfolio, you'll be minimizing your risk. And by setting a clear financial goal, you'll be motivated to stick to your plan and make adjustments as needed. By adopting these strategies, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. Imagine having a nest egg that's growing steadily over time, without you having to constantly worry about the market's performance. It's a great feeling, and it's within your reach. For example, let's say you start investing just $100 per month into a diversified portfolio, and you do that for 20 years. Assuming an average annual return of 7%, you could end up with over $50,000, and that's without ever having to invest a lump sum of money. In short, the best investment strategies for beginners in 2024 are all about keeping it simple, staying consistent, and having a clear plan in place. So don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. Start investing today and see where it takes you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any experience with investing, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're new to investing, I hope this video has given you the confidence to take the first step. Don't forget to tune in next time when we'll be diving into advanced investment strategies for more experienced investors.